B I N G O. Welcome back to our channel, and thank you once again for joining us in this another day in the life of living on Autistic Edge. I am Terry and Elaine, proud autism mom, and we are here to share with you tips and tricks of how we navigate through our journey right here on Autistic Edge. Today we're going to share with you 5 tips on how to use sight words bingo in speech therapy. Sight words bingo in speech therapy can be a fun way to help children improve their reading, language skills, and articulation. Tip number 1. Select a set of sight words that are appropriate for the child's skill level. So it's not about the child's age, it's about the child's skill level, right? Number 2, create the bingo card. So in creating the bingo card, you can create the card with a grid and select some random words and place them in each square. You can find pre-made bingo cards online, as well as you can create your own. So this one we got it online. Here is another one that we also got online, and you can also print blank cards, and this was a blank one. This one I have actually made, all right? And again, we got the idea online. You can make your blank card and you can use your words that you would want to use based on the child's skill level, because you may not always find words online or a card that effectively suit your child level. So you will need to break it down to what you want. Then play the game. So you can choose all in a row or full house, or what you name it. You know the bingo game. Use a similar concept from the bingo game with numbers to with words. If the child understands the game, you can explain and you talk about it. You can set your own rules. Remember the objective of the game. All right? Now, during the game, encourage communication. As the child finds each word, encourage them to say the word. This helps them to reinforce their recognition of the word and articulation of the word, which is what we are trying to get, right? Because remember now, we are trying to pull out the expressive language in speech therapy, okay? And again, number 5, you can use this as an assessment tool, more like an informal assessment. So take note of any word that the child struggles with and tailor the future sessions accordingly, whether you want to add more difficult words or you want to add some other words, or you can continue to use those words for practice. Our speech therapy activities are about finding creative ways to make learning fun while we still focus on our goals in improving articulation, language, and literacy skills. Now, stay tuned as we share with you one of our sight word bingo session with Alex Xavier. Stay right there. We will be right back. We are going to play word bingo. Word bingo. Word bingo. Spell bingo. No, hold on. Spell bingo. B I N G O. Bingo. Beautiful. Now, Alex, find the word cat. Put one of those on the cat. Put one of those on the cat. Cat. Beautiful. Say the word.
Cat.
Cat. Cat. I want to hear the T. Cat.
Cat.
Very good. All right. Next, find the word boy. Boy. Beautiful. Pronounce the word. Boy.
What?
Boy. Beautiful. All right. Find the word
What?
fun. Fun. Beautiful. What's the word? What's the word?
Fun.
Fun. Fun. Beautiful. All right. Find the word cow. 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 Beautiful. Say the word. Say the word.
Cow.
Cow. Cow. All right. Find the word log. Beautiful. What's the word? Log.
Okay.
Log. Very good. All right. It may have said any word because now we've been going a 3 in a row. Why, Alex, your bingo for me? Come here. Me go give you one now, we go hard. Find the word bun. Bun. Take your hand from your mouth. Bun. Can you find bun? You find the word bun? Yes, man, put it back. Bun. Say the word. Bun. Bun. Say the word. Bun. We're going to give you a bonus now. Bonus bingo. Girl. Come on, find the word girl. Yes, cover girl. Beautiful. Alright, a full house bingo you're going to get. Full house bingo. Let's see if you can find the word was. Was. Yes. Alex, me love you. Put it over there. Yay. One more to go. Find the word. Me mama. Alex just said pig. Alex said, I love it. You did excellent, marvelous, fabulous, everything in our life. Sing a song. Come on, come on. Excellent for Alex, Alex, Alex. Excellent for Alex. Excellent. Give me 5. Come and kiss you. So in the last word on the sheet, Alex knows the word. Alex knows the word. So before I could even say the word, Alex just come out with the word pig. I was so frightened. The exclamation. Thank you once again for joining us in this another day in the life of living on Autistic Edge. Don't forget to like, comment and share, and make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell so the next time we put out another content, you will be notified.